My name is Adeshola Williams, and I am the heir to rainbows. Today, my father, Chief Akintunde Williams, will hand over the company to me.
Welcome, madam.
Hello, Madam Rose.
I'm good.
Nice to see you
Welcome
again.
home.
Thank you. Be careful with that bag.
Yes, ma'am.
It's expensive. You're taller than me now! Oh, you have beard too!
Yes.
Let me see you. These girls are intra. Hey, did you take permission from me before you did this?
Come on.
Did you?
Come on, since we're coming down now. You just go back and you'll believe you already.
Look at your chest.
Anyway, I miss you so much.
I missed you. Where's your father? Why is he not here to welcome me?
Ma, Chief is upstairs. He's busy upstairs, ma'am.
Yes.
By this time of the day? Anyways, if he's not going to come here to welcome his princess, I will welcome myself to him.
Ma, Chief is very busy. He said he doesn't want anyone to disturb him.
If I were you, I wouldn't go there.
Ma.
Give me blush.
Ada, you are so sweet. I love you so much. And this is what I call Obelomolatile.
Chief, it's like you don't want me to leave this bed today, Abi. You know I'm here to finish that proposal.
Whoa, you go nowhere today, my dear. Eh? Wait, proposal. Proposal will do that delay that.
Ew! You don't have to bring all your hoes to the house. That's what a hotel is for.
Shola, what happened to knocking before entering?
Trust me when I say this is an ugly picture to look at.
You better stop that. Of course, this is not the way I want you to meet.
And why would we be meeting?
Anyways, this is Ada. She's Shola, my daughter.
Let me guess. She is looking for a promotion. You know, young girls like you, I know how you operate. You will use what you have to get what you want, even if it means slipping your way to the top.
Shola, stop it. I won't have you disrespect my fiancé.
Fiancé, Daddy, you're joking, right?
I am not joking.
Daddy!
Shola, welcome to Nigeria.
I've heard so many amazing things about you too.
Well, we have never heard anything about you, so why don't you crawl back into the shit of where you crawled out from?
Shola,
What? Daddy never told us anything about her.
that is the reason why I invited you home, so that both of you will know her before the wedding.
So you already made plans, so why are you involving us now?
I called you on several occasions. You never returned the calls. I am even surprised that you came home this time. Look, Ada is an amazing woman. And I want you to give her the love and respect you have for me.
Respect? Daddy, don't even talk like you don't bang on your girlfriends in front of us.
Hey, Shola, why are you like this? Eh? Why are you always self-centered? Eh? Well, at least for once, can't you do something to make me happy? Something I love?
Self-centered. Whatever happens to like father, like daughter. Look, if you've ever wondered where I got this character from, wonder no more. I got it from. A fun fact about my father is that he's never done anything that is not in his own interest. So you, my darling, you are just a collateral damage.
Excuse me?
You are excused.
Look, never mind. Don't worry. I know she will come around. Bellumi, you had your sister. Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
Who is it?
It's me, darling.
Daddy, go away.
Shola, baby.
Daddy, I hope you're not here to ask me for a favor.
I know, we haven't had a decent conversation since you returned from UK.
What do you want us to talk about now, Daddy?
Ada is not just a good woman. She's smart and intelligent and also very resourceful to the company.
Oh, so you're marrying her because she's an asset to the company? Daddy, I knew that all this marriage thing has its personal interest to you.
No. I also love her. In fact, I love her more than you can imagine.
I bet you do.
Look, whether you like it or not, Ada is family now.
That's unbelievable.
Look, you can't scare her away. Hmm? She is tougher than she looks. And besides, you both have something in common, you know?
Haha. Daddy, that is very funny. It is impossible. We don't have anything in common.
What is impossible, eh? Shola Williams, what is impossible? That's my baby. I'm sure you understand what love is. Eh? Abimuparo? Good night, dear.
Good night, Daddy.
What are you doing in my car?
Your car. The last time I checked, everything in this house belongs to Chief. Besides, he said I can use any car of my choice.
That's absolute nonsense. See, I'm going for a meeting, okay?
I'm sure you're going to Rainbows, and that's where I'm headed to. So why not hop in?
Hell no! Daddy! Daddy!
See, babe, I've said this before, and I'm gonna say it again. Like, money is not a problem. Money is not my problem.
There you go again.
See, you have to understand. Come on, look at you. Just take a look at yourself. Like you're vanilla drip, baby. Like you're dripping. Like the tap is leaking. Okay, all you need is me to take care of you.
I know you can.
See, babe, like for real, like we can even just fly to Dubai now for shopping.
For you, baby.
Yeah, I can do that.
That would be nice.
I mean, yeah, we can even do, lunch, in Paris.
Okay.
Or maybe chill in Maldives for the weekend. And we can do that. That's
What?
right. And we don't have to do commercials.
Okay.
Or private jets, baby.
Really?
Yeah, my dad got one. My dad got a private jet.
Your
so we
dad
just-
doesn't have a private jet.
Come on, babe, don't do that. whatever. But you know, like, what I'm saying is that, like, you know, I can take care of you.
I know you can take care of me. I know. I trust that.
You have to do is let me hit it.
You want to hit this?
God, baby.
Like, really?
That's right. Really? Oh, yeah, that's right. I want to.
I thought Chief wanted you to stop bringing this girl to me. Your father is in his private office.
Okay, I don't have to do introduction, but I think you have to step out. But I will call you, like I will give you a call. Text me your details, your account details.
As usual, just like you said the other day.
But I did send something the other day.
Send what?
I sent some, maybe network or something.
Network.
I'll send this time, just.
Excuse me, please.
I thought she was falling for me. But come on now, come on, look at that girl. Like I was this close. I was this close to just, damn.
Are you ready to be Mrs. Williams? Because it comes with a lot of responsibilities.
Why do you keep saying that? Like getting married to you is a burden. Wait. So I'm supposed to be the happiest woman in the world, right?
Of course you are. You are getting married to Chief Akitunde Williams.
Oh shit!
No. What can come on top of that?
Nothing. Oh, this is my husband to be.
Yeah. Come. What is it?
No, I need to get ready for my meeting with the wedding planner.
Which planner? Are we not the one planning?
No. Go and do your meeting. See you later. I love you. Mwah.
Shola? Adeshola? Deshola?
Yes, Daddy, I'm trying to meditate.
Sorry. Meet me in my private office now.
Yeah, but whatever it is, can't we do it later?
Now. Where did you get these pictures from?
Come on, Daddy, you said get to know her, so I did.
Who is your source?
Specified.
Very well then. I want you to delete every other copy of this. I don't want it getting out.
Okay.
Look, I am serious, Shola. I mean, you should know this must not get to the media. It's not good for business. I mean, you should know better.
Right.
Understand?
Okay, sir. What's wrong, darling? Why are you angry?
Can you give a good explanation to this nonsense?
How did you get this?
Does that matter? Answer the damn question, woman.
That's Mr. Joseph. He works for the company.
And speak up.
It used to be a thing.
Ada. You are going to be my wife. Why are you holding hands with him?
I only went to tell him that what we had in the past was completely over.
And you cannot do that over the phone?
You don't trust me.
Oh.
And it hurts. If we don't trust each other, then what are we doing?
I'm sorry. I don't know what so sorry. See, I was only trying to...
It's okay. You don't have to explain further. But how do I get comfortable in this marriage knowing fully well I'm being followed?
No. I didn't ask anyone to follow you. It was just that Shola...
What? I can't believe she actually did that. What on earth is the problem with me?
That's all right.
It's fine. It's okay. I'll be right back, okay?
That's okay.
What gave you the effrontery to walk into my room?
I know what you did.
Leave my room right now!
Or what?
I said get out.
Thanks to you and your stupid plans, the wedding date has been moved forward.
What are you talking about?
You have that right. Well, I thought I should be the one to break the news to you. Chief and I will be getting married in 3 weeks. Thank you, Shola. Your plan actually brought us closer than ever before.
I recently know that one Mr. Joseph works in this company.
Yes, sir.
So, what is his position here?
He is the assistant to the head of operations, sir.
Oh, that means he's Ada's assistant.
He is the assistant to Miss Adasa.
Very well then. First thing on Monday, I want him fired.
Okay, sir.
Who is it?
Rose, sir.
Yes?
Sir, Mr. Jasper is here.
Let him in. Yes.
Madam Rose. Where's Chief?
He's in a meeting.
He didn't tell me he was bringing work home.
I guess it's an emergency.
Okay. In that case, let me join him.
No, he'll like to be alone.
What is this? And that includes me.
I'm afraid yes.
Let me in this minute or face the consequences.
I cannot believe he's still going ahead with the wedding after the pictures I showed him. I guess there's nothing I can do about it. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. How will an iguana like you fit into that dress? I bet your husband-to-be will hardly recognize you.
Why do you hate the fact that your dad and I are getting married? Don't you want him to be happy?
Please.
Oh, I get it now. But you see, your dad chose me to be in his life. So you can take all this frustration you feel to him.
Well, I was hoping he would end all of this after seeing these pictures. Surprisingly, you are still here.
Well, thanks to your evil plans, his trust for me grew stronger.
You are a hypocrite.
Stepmom sounds more befitting.
You're evil.
Oh, come on, darling. That's no way to talk to your new boss.
What do you mean?
Yes, your dad offered me the position of the new CEO.
That's a lie. That position is mine.
Oh, well, yes, I know. I once turned it down, but then I met you, my dear stepdaughter, who would do anything to mess with me. Come on, darling, don't sweat it. It's just a win-lose situation.
I win, you lose. Oh, God. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. It's an ugly dress, by the way.
Madam Rose, get the dry cleaners now! Oh my God! Oh my God!
I see you rather have a stranger run rainbows instead of family.
Calm down, Shola. Besides, Ada is family now. She will soon be my wife.
But that position is supposed to be mine, Daddy. Mine, not some Mrs. Williams wannabe.
Ada is a very smart lady. I'm very intelligent.
And so am I. So am I.
Look, she understands how we run the business from outside.
Daddy, and I understand how we do the business, both from inside and outside. Come on. And you know nobody knows how we run this business like I do. And you know Rainbows is family and families is Rainbow.
That is the more reason why I will appoint you the new head of operations, my dear.
You give her bread and you give me crumbs? Seriously, Daddy?
Look, Shola, listen. Both of you make a good team.
Daddy, I don't do teams, please. And if I'm not getting what I know is mine by birth, I don't want anything at all.
Shola? Shola? Shola?
Oh, there you are. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, sis, I know you too well. I know you've never been friends with home, so tell me, why did you come back?
Just wanted to give him a little help with the family business, that's all.
Come on, sis. We both know that's not true. You thought he was going to make you the CEO, but he didn't.
I thought he was going to hand it over to me as the first child, just as it's been done in this family for generations. And I come back to a bride of... Adeshola Williams will not have that. I'm sick of this house.
Mommy, I miss you so much. I wish you were here. Things would have been a lot easier.
I miss you too, honey. Well, I heard what happened. Honestly, I couldn't even believe it myself. How can you do that to me? I don't even know what to do, how to move on from this. Oh, well, I have an idea. And then, Mommy, this is time for you to spill. Well, are you aware that Red Company is in search of new investors? I heard that they are having financial issues.
Oh, wow.
Why don't you invest in them?
Mommy, you are a genius. It's a very, very, very good idea. But wait, for me to be able to buy the biggest shares, I will need an intel on the bidding.
Well, let's just say I have my sauce.
Okay, but we might just have a little problem. When we finally know how much they're willing to sell, what if we don't have enough resources to acquire it all?
No, you don't worry. I've got it all figured out. Let's just say that I have an idea.
Mommy, what would I do without you? Tell me, what would I do without you?
You can say that again. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
I am glad everyone is here.
You seem happy this morning.
Shoot.
Oh, is this a scheme to get back at me for... Look, you don't even have the resource to acquire such a large share. My dear, don't make fool of yourself. Just accept the offer, the job offer I gave you. That's all. Shola?
We should probably let her.
Shola?
Darling, we should probably let her have the shares. It's hers anyway.
No. You know what? We have to hijack the shares, you know, by using the teacher's name. You know, it must not be linked to me.
Why would you do that to your own daughter? She's not a threat.
Oh, she's not a threat, but I know what she's capable of doing. You heard what she said.
I don't think she can pull that off.
Yes, who is it?
Rosa.
Yes, approach.
Chief,
What is it?
They're talking about your company in the news.
My company?
Is everything
Yes,
okay?
sir. I think someone died.
Someone in the news?
Yes, sir.
Which of the station?
Mr. Joseph. No, they haven't come to check the TV.
No.
The technician hasn't come to check it, sir.
Oh, this is not okay.
Yes.
Then let's check.
Good morning and welcome to Rains TV News. I am Perpetua Uwezuki, bringing to you news updates. One Mr. Joseph Abu was found in his apartment at Lekki. He was a former staff of the multi-billion-dollar company Rainbows, owned by Chief Akintunde Williams. Investigations are still going on.
Send an email to all the staff that we'll be having an emergency meeting today by 2 p.m. Nobody leaves the building. Is that clear? I mean, we cannot have this kind of tragedy associated with the company. What nonsense. What is this?
Ma, should I tell the driver you'll be going with Chief to the office?
You are both sent the news.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, you know what to do?
Yes, sir.
All traces and record that will link Joseph to this company must be erased. I mean, we cannot be involved in any suicide investigation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can go.
Yes.
Why erase his attachments with the company? He was a worker here.
I had him fired.
You did what? Why would you keep that from me?
Does it matter?
Well, you know I...
Shh.
I will ask Madam Rose to get you some food.
No, I want to quickly freshen up.
Okay.
Jasper is waiting for me.
Chief, you know I feel left out most times. What's with this, Jasper, and why do you keep shutting me out?
Woman, go Go get some rest. Hmm?
I feel sorry for you.
Seriously, I am. It's just been a couple of hours since your ex-lover died. And you're not even married to my father yet. You're already playing roles of ex-lover, fiancé, mistress, wife-to-be, oh, CEO, and the most interesting one, stepmother. I feel so sorry for you.
Oh, no, come and take this. Take it, you need it more than I do. Go, take it.
Why wouldn't you let me?
Chief is very busy and he wouldn't like to be disturbed.
For Christ's sake, I'm his freaking fiancé!
Okay.
Let me in. No. Let...
Okay. Guys, what's going on?
I said let me in this minute!
Look, see, you can't fault her for that because my father doesn't like to be disturbed whenever he's with Mr. Jasper. And I'm sure you're wondering why. But Mr. Jasper is the guy who does my father's dirty dealings for him. You know what I mean?
What do you mean by that?
Well, you should ask him yourself. Or maybe don't.
Chief would like to see everyone in his office meeting.
Why didn't you let me in?
You are him now.
Who was that man? Why was he here?
Don't raise your voice at me. Woman. After all, we are in this mess because of you.
Seriously? Why would you say that?
What is the emergency?
Thank God you are here.
Why do I have to be here?
You have seen the news. They are starting an investigation and they want to seize the opportunity to start investigating rainbows. You know, the media are on our neck.
Oh, on your neck, not our neck. If I recall, she is your CEO and not me, so why do I care anymore?
But I'm sure you care for the company.
A man just died. And all you're worried about is business. Instead of trying to make sure this tragedy doesn't cause further harm to your family, you're here talking about protecting the company.
Same thing.
You're indeed your father's daughter, after all.
Ma, welcome, ma'am.
Rosie!
Ma'am.
So you're still here?
Yes, I am.
Wow.
It's so good to see you.
Oh, good to see you too. Some things don't change.
Yes, I mean, everything is pretty much the same way you left, except for a few things my new madam is trying to change.
New?
Yes, ma'am. Chief's fiancé.
Oh, that hoodlum rat. I'll deal with that later. So where is he?
Who, ma'am?
Don't bother locating myself. After all, this is my house and nobody is
of course.
me.
Right.
Hello, Akintunde.
And what are you doing here, Toy?
Oh, the last time I checked, this is my home.
You better wake up from your dreams. You are no longer welcome here. I mean, you should know that.
Anyway, I am not here to waste time. I am here to inform you to gather all your lawyers as soon as possible.
And why will I do that?
Oh, she has not told you. Well, Shola has sold her shares.
Look, stop bluffing, woman. I know you are doing everything so hard to force yourself into my life. But you should know that it's too late. It's late already.
Well, you can laugh all you want.
Yes.
I will just leave this document here. Then we will see who is bluffing. Ciao.
Looks yummy. I love the taste of this, but I prefer the icing to be white.
Okay, ma, I'll sit with.
Okay? And for my cake decor, simple but classy.
Okay, ma.
You know.
Yes, ma.
Great.
Well, this must be the bride to be. Wonderful. Can I have some cake? It looks lovely, actually. To have a lovely day.
Oh, just who I am waiting for.
Hi, Daddy. I see that Mommy has reached out to you already.
Yes, she did. But I don't believe anything she said.
Why? But it's true. I'm selling all my shares at Rainbow. I have thought it through and I think it's the best decision that I'll make.
You won't do such thing.
You know, I was actually very shocked and surprised when Mommy told me that Grandpa left me a large sum of shares in my name. As a matter of fact, the largest. It felt like instinct that the position for the CEO was rightfully mine, but you would rather give it to that slut you call a wife. My mother was right about it the whole time.
Look, your mother forfeited any opinion about my life long time ago. And listen, don't ever use such word about Ada. She's a better woman than whatever your mother was.
I bet she is.
Shola, you don't know what your mother is capable of doing.
You know, she told me that you will say this exact words.
Yes, because your mother is the most heartless, selfish, self-centered woman I have ever known.
And yet you married her. Daddy, you don't have to say all these awful things about her to get me to change my mind, because you know what? I won't.
I won't allow you to change anything. I won't. Just listen. I will not allow it. Nonsense. What? And listen, Shola, listen.
I just got an emergency email from one of our company staff. I can't believe Shola and Toyin are already at the company with their lawyers, and Shola is still willing to sell her shares.
Is that so?
Yes, I think we should head over there now.
Let me put a call through to the lawyer. Hello, lawyer. Oh, good. So, you are on your way to our office. Oh, that's all right then.
Okay.
Okay, we'll meet there.
I don't get it.
So, Antonio is there too?
Yes.
Yeah. Tony, what nonsense is this? Now, who gave you the clearance to come into these premises? Listen, leave this office now before I call in the security.
Please just save your breath and sit your old bones down. We're not here to waste your time. That is if you do not waste ours.
Daddy, I told you that I will be coming back to get what is rightfully mine.
Come on, Shola. You should rethink what you're about to do. Trust me, you don't want to end up making a decision that could blow back on you later.
Hello? Did I hear a fly buzz?
No fly here. This is Ada, the CEO of this company.
So, because you sleep in his bed, does that give you the right to butt into this conversation?
I beg your pardon.
Whatever. Please, over to you.
Good day, Chief. My name is Barrister Michael Jerry. I'm the legal advisor to Miss Adeshola Williams.
Are you aware she is my daughter?
My client, Adeshola Williams, requests to sell off her shares of Rainbows to Honorable Senior. And according to the documents, she has a full claims over it.
Can I see?
We did it!
Yes, we did! Honestly, Mommy, you are the best.
I know, right?
If not for you, I would have lost everything to that gold digger.
You can say that again.
Okay, so now that we've accomplished everything, when do we buy the shares of bread? Because I cannot wait to see Daddy's face when I do.
Oh, that, I will make sure you get them as soon as possible.
Cheers! Yes! I love the feeling of success. Ooh.
You know what? You know what you have done? You have succeeded in destroying the legacy of this family.
Daddy, that is not me. That is all on you, Daddy. Daddy, that is all on you. How can you want to take what rightfully belongs to me and take it away from me?
Shut up! What do you know? You know nothing, my dear. Your grandfather had very high hopes in you. Just look at you. Eh? I am sure the man is looking down on you now. In tears regretted.
Oh, please, Daddy, stop exaggerating. It's a shame, too, that you're allowing what is in between Ada's life control the entire family.
You must be stupid. Very stupid now. Out of here. Get out of here!
Daddy, that's a joke, right?
Secret out of my house!
So where do you want me to go to, Daddy? This is my home.
I don't know. You are no longer needed. Not anymore. Out of here! Out!
Daddy!
Out! I say out!
I'm leaving!
And don't ever come back here. Nonsense.
Yes, please. I'm coming. Honey. Come in. Oh my goodness. Today they do that to you. Honey, you mean he threw you out of the house?
Yes, Mommy, he threw me out of the house. He didn't even let me take any of my things.
It's okay, honey. Don't worry. We'll go and do some shopping tomorrow. Listen, this is your home. You can stay for as long as you want, okay? Now, let's go upstairs so that you can rest. It's okay. Come. It's okay.
I don't even know.
That's your father, eh? He's always all right.
All I want is just what's mine. Is it?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
Bayomi, you need to eat.
I'm not hungry.
I'm aware that there's so much going on in this house now, and I'm also not happy about. But you can't starve yourself to death. Bellamy, please, you need to eat something.
How do you expect me to eat, knowing that my father just chased my sister out of the house? Like, you know, that's absolutely ridiculous. I can't deal with it. I can't. I'm just gonna call myself a taxi and go see mom and, you know, chill with her and sister Shola.
You know, before now, I would think you're really smart.
Of course I'm smart.
No, I don't think so anymore.
Please,
look,
take your food. I'm not.
Bellamy, you need to eat now. Else I'll tell Yvonne about your little friend who came visiting.
Chill now, come on.
Oh, wow, you can beg.
Come on.
Now start eating.
Why you don't be like that, come on.
Start eating. You're so naughty, God, stubborn.
Like, but do you have to do this? Like, do you actually have to do this?
Okay, let me go and call her.
But
no,
I said I will eat. I'm going to eat your food.
Okay, I'm waiting.
So tell me, what do we have here?
I'm sure you can perceive it.
Ushi, baddest chef.
Start eating. Now, Yvonne.
Oh, sorry, okay.
Yeah, good day, Chief. Good day, Madam. Due to some findings we had in the process of our investigation, I had to come and meet you for some questioning.
Sure. We are ready to answer all questions.
Good, thank you. What relationship do you have with late Mr. Joseph?
He was a former staff of this company.
Is that all?
He was my assistant at Rainbows.
Oh, I see. Well, madam, according to our investigation, you had a personal relationship with him.
We used to be lovers a long time ago.
But are you aware that he left a suicide note before taking his life?
What note?
Of course he did. Madam, whatever must have transpired between both of you led him to have committed that suicide.
That's impossible, Detective. I made it clear to him that what we had in the past was completely over. And I believe he understood that. Besides, he's not the kind of man that could take his own life. Something doesn't add up.
This is the note he left behind before taking his life. And please, while this case is still open for investigation, I will urge you to let us know whatever information that could help us on this very case.
Oh, definitely. Detective, we will give you all necessary information.
Thank you very much. I think I have to take my leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your time, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good day, madam.
Thank you. Good day.
Could you help me get the blue file in my drawer, the right drawer?
Sure, honey.
Honey, how did it go? Honey, well, not as we planned. What? What happened? What went wrong?
Actually, you see, there's an individual who is interested in acquiring those shares. He offered them a proposal that they couldn't resist.
Who's he? Who did? Who are we talking about?
I have no idea, but I am going to find out.
Mommy, I have to have
those shares. I mean, that is the reason I sold all my shares at Rainbow, so that I can finally have something of my own that I can have control over.
I know, honey. I know. Don't worry. I'll let you know as soon as I find out.
Then you better. If not, all this thing's going to blow back in our faces, and we don't want that now, do we? Oh my God. Why does he have this? How? Chief! Why do you have this?
I asked you to bring my file, not to search my...
Just answer the question! What are your intentions with this, Akim? To blackmail me or what?
What were you thinking, taking this kind of picture?
How dare you, Akim? How dare you dig into my past?
How dare you keep your past, your dirty past away from me? If you're going to be my wife, am I not supposed to know about your past? Supposing this get to the wrong hand, how do we call the chaos this can cause? He knows that I sent Jasper to ensure that no other copy is left with that stupid, useless ex of yours.
Did you kill Joseph?
What kind of silly question is that?
You sent your dog to kill Joseph?
Will you stop that unnecessary accusation?
Akim, why? Why?
Shola, good to see you, Madam Shola.
Madam Rose, where's Pelumi?
I'm at his. I'll go call Pelumi. I'm sure he'll be really happy to see you. He's been really sad since you left.
Man, I'm glad you're back.
I miss you. You're getting bigger by the minute.
Well, yeah, you know I'm working out every day.
I know. What's been happening in this house?
Wow, everything's been...
What is she doing here? Who let her in?
What do you mean who let her in?
Pelumi, you go upstairs now.
Come on, Daddy.
Move!
Is that even necessary, Daddy? Is it?
Just shut up and don't call me Dad. You forfeited the right to call me Dad.
So this is how we're going to be now? This is how it's going to be between us? You hating on me?
There's nothing like us. Okay? I should have rejected you the moment your grandfather brought you to this house. From the gutter he found you or something.
What is he saying? What are you saying? What do you mean?
Of course you heard what I said. You don't deserve to be a William. You don't even deserve what you have. You this ungrateful child.
Dad!
You shut up. Shut up. Now out of it.
Daddy!
Out of my house! You think I'm joking with you? Out. Let me see. Move.
Daddy!
I say out of my house! Out! Don't ever come here again. Nonsense. Come in and shut this door.
I got your email, yes. Thank you for all you've done for me. I am so excited. I cannot wait for Red and Rainbows to work together. There's a lot you can achieve. I'll call you back. Yes, bye. Hey, darling.
Is it true?
Sit down. Sit, child. Is what true?
Mommy, tell me the truth. Am I a William?
Of course, child, you are.
Mommy, you don't have to lie to me anymore because Daddy already told me.
Calm down. See, you're Shola Williams, and nothing can ever change that. Don't listen to your father. It's just a mean old croak. You're William. It's okay. It's okay. Come, my darling. It's okay.
Ada, it hasn't gotten to this.
Just leave me alone. I can't stay under the same roof with a murderer. The wedding is off.
Sweetheart, I am not a murderer. I don't have hand in his death. Why can't you believe me?
You take me for a fool, right? No wonder you never allowed me into your office whenever Jasper was around. I could have guessed so many things you were capable of, but I never took you for a murderer.
Look, I am not a murderer. And that I don't allow you whenever Jasper is with me in the office. I was only protecting you. I don't want you to get involved in any investigation.
What stupid investigation?
Come on, Ada. That is classified.
Wow. You know what? Never mind. I'm leaving you for good anyway, so whatever you've been up to in the past isn't my business anymore.
I didn't want to get directly at you. She knows I love you so much and she will do anything to sabotage what we have. Ada.
And what else do you have to do with any of this? Okay.
But she's been blackmailing me with the pictures.
What?
Yes.
And you didn't think to tell me?
I was only trying to protect you.
Protect me? How did Twain get those pictures in the first place?
From my findings, she got them from Joseph and had him killed so as to cover her traces.
Oh my God. Why was Joseph still keeping those pictures? Why? How do we prove Toy did this?
Jasper is still spying on her, and I hope he gathers more evidence.
I'm so sorry,
So,
I'm so sorry.
That's all right. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. That's all right.
Hello, Shola. What are you doing here? Are you here to mock me?
We need to talk.
You know this is my mother's house and you're not supposed to be here?
Yes, I know, and I made sure she was out before coming here.
So what do you want?
May I come in?
You may sit.
Thank you.
You have 5 minutes, so you better make it count.
I'm really sorry for how your dad treated you. Shola, he's not been himself since you left. But he's been under a lot of pressure lately, and that's why he's been hard on everyone.
Did he ask you to come here? Because
No.
if this is his way of apologizing, you go tell him I said he should go to hell.
Chief doesn't even know I'm here. I came here to tell you to come back home. Shola, believe it or not, I do care about you, and I don't think you should be here. Are you aware of what your mom is capable of? I don't think you're safe here.
What are you trying to imply? Are you trying to say something?
I'm trying to say she's a murderer.
What kind of an accusation is that? Do you know what you're saying?
Yes, I know. A lot has happened since you left home, Shola, and I will need to fill you in, but I need your help.
And you better not be asking me to spy on my mother.
I hope you are keeping spying eyes on her, because we need to know what she's up to.
Yes, Chief. In fact, I've got some updates.
Oh, really? Let's hear it.
Do you know of one Honorable Shino?
Shino?
Yes, sounds familiar, but...
Wait a minute. Wasn't he the businessman who bought Ada's shares from Rainbows?
Yes. We know him?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure, Chief? Because this very honorable I'm talking about is actually the current CEO at Red. Both him and Tony, they are working closely together.
Hold on. He bought Shola's shares, which is the largest shares at Rainbows, and that means he runs the company now, so what does he have to do with Red?
Exactly. That was actually what comes to my mind before, not until when I begin to find more deeper in my investigations. And I come out that Tony bought the shares in his name.
No. How did it happen?
No, so wait. Are you trying to say Tony is now running Rainbows?
Exactly. Honorable Shino is just a front man.
No.
Chief, calm down. Chief, are you okay? Call Madam Rose to get the doctor now. Chief, are you okay? Chief, calm down, Chief, please. Calm down, Chief. Please.
How long have I been out?
Few hours, darling. But the doctor said you'll be fine as long as you don't stress yourself.
Additional.
It's good to have you back.
It's good to have you. Please, can I have the room to talk to my daughter? Ayumi, you stay. Additional. I know you think you are losing your place in my heart because of Ada. Your mother taught me many years ago. And when she left, it took me years to realize that I was never happy at all along. Additional, Ada is not just a good woman. She brought joy and filled my heart with love. Look, my dear, you've been away for 2 years. And if I have to hand over the rainbows to you, you need to know what were put in place. So that was why I made you the head of operations. and Ada, the MD. Yes, I was to hand over the company to you a year after because it is yours by birth and by rights.
Daddy, I'm not a part of this family. Okay? It's not my birthright.
When your grandfather handed you over to me, I carried you with my two hands. And you look at my face with your beautiful tiny eyes and smiled. And your legs swingle, in excitement. Then I knew that God has blessed me with a child. It was years after that your mom and I had buried me. My dear, you are Adeshola Williams, daughter of Akintunde Williams. The Williams legacy. No one can take that from you. Even without the rainbows. Yes.
That's right, Big Sis.
I think we should take rainbows back.
Yes, about that, I agree. But how?
I'll just have to get any document that can help us.
Okay.
All you need to do is just find more evidence surrounding Mr. Joseph's death.
Even if I get the necessary evidence, how do we bring your mom down without affecting rainbows?
Just get the document and leave the rest for me.
Very well. I see your dad already told you about your mom's involvement with rainbows.
Yes, he did.
Hey, I'm here for you, okay?
Thank you.
Shola? Shola, darling.
Good morning, Mommy.
Morning, darling.
Wow, you're looking good.
Thank you.
So where are you going to now?
Well, I am going for a couple of meetings and to come back in the evening so that we can go for dinner.
All right.
See you later.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Bye.
Ada, any findings yet?
You won't believe what I found.
Shoot.
Are you aware Honorable Shino is the CEO of Red?
That's not true. If that's true, my mother would have told me, except
She's not planning to.
Wait, hold on. I overheard her phone conversation, and if I remember correctly, she mentioned something about Red working with Rainbow.
Wait, what? Something smells fishy. First, she anonymously buys your shares at Red.
And she was the one who told me to buy the largest shares at Red, and it will qualify me for the role of the CEO. And now look at what she's doing.
She played you. I don't know. Did your dad ever tell you that Tony had always wanted a part of Rainbows for years? And she knew the only way she could acquire a part of the company was to...
Make me sell all my shares at Rainbow. And to have me do that, she made me buy all the shares from Red. She knew how badly I wanted to become a CEO, and I felt foolishly for her.
Exactly. You know, I won't blame you though. It's not your fault. She's your mom. And there's no way you could have imagined her using you for her own selfish...
Okay, you know what? Gather all your evidence. Meet me at Rainbows and bet she's there.
Yes, if I ask for now.
Everybody out!
Shala, what's going on, darling? What are you doing here?
I could never imagine that the woman I thought was my mom could do this to me.
What's all this about?
Don't play dumb with me. How can you steal my shares?
Oh. Well, I did not steal your shares. I bought it. They weren't even yours in the first place. I mean, I honestly don't understand why my father will stupidly will the largest part of the shares of this company to you without even allowing me to prove myself.
Because he knows that you're selfish and you're going to run the business he managed to build from scratch into the ground. You're not capable of running this business, so I will not live here until I take what is rightfully mine.
Let us tell you how this is going to go. It's either you sell back the shares you bought to Shola or risk going to jail for life.
Adao, I believe this is the first time I'll be mentioning this your stupid name. Are you mentally all right? Obviously you're not. Because you wouldn't even barge into my office spewing gibberish.
Oh, just shut up and stop the pretense. We know you killed Joseph. Yes, we had to pay your dog double of what you paid to get him talking.
And I will make sure this case is thoroughly investigated.
And to top it all, dear Toyin, the suicide note the police found at the crime scene is in your handwriting. Yes, I got to know when I discovered some old files you left at the mansion. Some of your things are still there, but don't worry. I'll personally trash them for you.
And when you're done signing the papers, I will wire all your money back to you because I have not even touched any of it. And this time, Mommy, leave our lives for good. I'm out of here.
That was great. I can't believe we pulled that out. Can't wait to tell Chief the good news.
Yes, you did. You did great in there.
So did you. What?
I cannot believe I am actually beginning to like you.
Does that mean I can get a hug
No,
now?
hell no.
Okay.
Rose, why are you standing there? Join us.
Yes, Madam Rose.
Yes, we should. Wow, she's really an amazing cook.
Oh, yes, she's amazing. She's delicious.
And she's been taking care of this house for a very long time. She's doing a good job. Madam Rose, you're definitely part of this family, right? If it wasn't you who brought the notice of those dirty suitcases to my knowledge, I mean, I wouldn't have been able to identify Toyin's handwriting.
That's true. That's true.
Yes, I am so happy that everything is back on track. And I feel blessed and fulfilled having this beautiful woman in my life. Look, Ada, you are not just amazing. Your kindness is next to none. I mean, you understand what the value of a true family is. And besides, you make me happy. I love you, Ada.
And I love you so much.
I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
I love you. I I love you so much. I'm happy to be here, guys.
I am happy you're here.
Yeah, welcome to the family.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so excited.
Congrats, ma'am. Congrats, Chief.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Rose.
What's going on? What are you doing here?
Madam, you're under arrest of the murder of Mr. Joseph Agu.
What?
Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Why have you been avoiding my calls?
I already told you, I can't do it.
Huh. Even for 2 million naira?
No.
3.
5 million.
Don't push it.
It's either 5 million or you're getting nothing.
Okay. Can I see it?
Money first.
I need to see what I am going to pay for. Okay?
My money.
This will do. I cannot risk him using this against me. So we need to clean all threats that can be traced back to us. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Look for, is there a pen or something around? And a paper. There's one there, yes. Okay, so write whatever I say. My dear Ada, it saddens my heart.
I beg, madam, you go feel help me pronounce one after the other.
You can't even construct a simple sentence. No, are you for real?
No.
Give it to me, give it to me. Give it to me, I'll do it myself. Don't have time to waste it. Do you know who I am? Do you? Do you have any idea?
Officer, Akofa.
What?
You're under arrest.
You will hear from my lawyers. I am going to deal with you people. What's going on?
Madam, move.
What? I will deal with you people. Oh, you don't know me. You don't know.
Come in. How do I look?
Are you ready? I must say you look absolutely gorgeous in this dress. I barely recognized you.
Shall we?
Yes, we shall. Let's get you married.
Okay.
So,
What do I call you now? Stepmom? Mom?
Or, no, please. That is fine by me.
Are you sure?
You don't want me to call you mom?
No. Let me help you with this.
Thank you.
Ah.